In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to WooCommerce. So if you're using a WooCommerce and want to connect it with Zoho Mail, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So first of all, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho Mail and already log in with your credentials. Now on the left side, select the mail settings, and under that, click the tools and configurations. And in here, copy the SMT server, so on with the port and username and password provided. After that, head over to the WordPress dashboard. So we'll search for WordPress.com. And now click the plugins and start searching for WooCommerce or the WP Mail SMT or any SMT plugins of your choice. Unfortunately, I can't show you how to install and activate the plugin due to restrictions here in WordPress because you need to avail their plan in order to access the features of installing the plugins. And that's it. So, assumingly we've successfully installed and activate the plugins, now you can go to the WP Mail SMT in the WordPress dashboard, and then in the mailer section select the other SMT and then enter the following like SMT host, encryption, SMT port, authentication, username and password. And then after that, click save settings and you can test your email connection. And that's it. That's how you connect Zoho Mail to WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.